Adjetivos homework 2. Parte uno says cierto o falso. If it's falso, fix it to make it cierto. So you're going to read the sentence and then write your answer here. So the example says, Selena Gomez es rubia. Selena Gomez is blonde. Well, if you look up her pictures, more often than not, you're going to see that she has dark hair. So therefore, I'm going to say falso. Selena es morena. You're going to do that for all of these. So you have to read this. If you're not sure who the person is, then you're going to have to look them up. It's really easy. Quick Google search and you will have your answer almost immediately. Then parte dos says fill in the blank. Complete the sentence with someone that you know who meets the criteria. Don't forget to include a form of ser for each blank, and also make sure your adjective endings match your subject pronoun. So my subject pronoun in this is John. So never mind, I'm jumping the gun. Let's go right here. So what you're going to do is you're going to read the word that's on the right and figure out, guapo, guapa. That means good looking. Who do I know that's good looking? You could say you. So you could say I am. So you need to remember to put yo and soy. And then if you're a girl, you would change that to an A. If you're a boy, you would make sure that it says O. Notice that they don't have some of them, it doesn't matter if it's a boy or girl, so I haven't given you an option, but others, you do need to make sure that you include that ending. So what I would do for this is, a good looking person that I know, well, there's this guy named John. So I'm going to say John, and then the form of ser that matches John would be he is, but I don't need the word he because I already have John. I don't need to say John he is. Instead, I'm just going to say John es. So I have my subject pronoun and my form of ser. He's a dude, so I'm going to make sure it ends in an O. Boom, boom, boom. Easy peasy. That's all you're doing. So again, next one, you'll figure out, oh, talentoso, talentosa. That means talented. Who do I know that's talented? Oh my gosh, my friend Joe and John, they are. So I'm going to put Joe and John, and then I'm going to figure out what the form of ser is, and then I'm going to put the ending to make sure those are two dudes, so you're going to have to make sure it matches that. All right, so this is your homework. And when you're done, make sure that you click submit. The end.